11 uses of castor oil that you wish someone had told you before. Castor oil, also known as castor oil, is rich in fatty acids, omega-6 and 9, minerals, and vitamin E. The non-food grade oil, which cannot be ingested, has been known for being an excellent laxative, but it also has other functions, being used as a cosmetic, for medicinal therapeutic purposes. Before I tell you more, tell me in the comments from which city you are watching this video, and the reasons why castor oil is preferred. You'll see in today's video. Colic. As castor oil has analgesic properties, it can soothe colic. Apply the oil to the abdominal region, massaging gently. Muscular pains. Because it is considered a warm oil, it helps promote the circulation of body fluids and helps relieve muscle pain. Apply a little of the product massaging the sore spots. Hair. Helps strengthen the roots, preventing hair loss and breakage. Dilute castor oil extract in other products, such as massage creams, or even coconut oil, and leave a 3 cm margin from the scalp when applying. Eyebrows. Stimulates their growth. Apply with a cotton swab, and be very careful not to get it in your eyes. Leave on for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Skin. Because it is very viscous, the oil can penetrate more into the skin, promoting a much deeper hydration. The ideal is to use it together with other oils, such as coconut oil. You can apply 1 tablespoon of each and apply it to the skin at night. Repeat the process every 2 weeks. Nails. Hydrating cuticles can be easily done with the use of castor oil. When they are properly moisturized, their protective function is enhanced, helping your nails grow. Put a little castor oil on all the nails, make a small massage, and leave it on for 1 hour. Helps treat dandruff. The antifungal properties of castor oil help to cleanse the scalp, which in turn combats dandruff. Excessive oiliness is a noticeably improved aspect with the use of castor oil. Improves the appearance of stretch marks. It is believed that because of its advantageous components, especially when it comes to the skin, castor oil has favorable potential for those who wish to improve the appearance of stretch marks, especially reddish ones. Moreover, castor oil also helps in the appearance of cellulites. It is important to remember that it does not solve the problem, but helps to improve the appearance of the skin. It helps in the treatment of infections. Castor oil can also be used to prepare massages that promote relaxation, with the purpose of reducing inflammation. It has a cicatrizing action. The vitamin E present in castor oil contributes to healing, especially because it has a strong connection with better skin hydration. Therefore, this oil is a great ally when dealing with aesthetic health. It helps in the treatment of mycoses. Usually, mycoses are caused by fungi and are very resistant to treatments. However, castor oil has antifungal properties, which is very advantageous in avoiding or being complemented in the treatment of complications caused by fungus. It is important to remember that it is not recommended to apply castor oil directly to the skin. It can be mixed with a cream. On the hair, you can apply the oil on the scalp and massage. Always remember to remove it. Sun exposure after application is not recommended. Today's message is in Isaiah chapter 41 verse 10. Fear not, for I am with you, be not dismayed, for I am your God, I will strengthen you, and help you, and uphold you with my faithful right hand. This text is a statement of encouragement that indicates the Lord's providential care